Video I am going to show you how to enable icon pull down gesture on Realme phones which is running on Realme UI. To enable the icon pull down gesture, open settings on your phone, and under settings you need to click on home screen and lock screen. Under home screen and lock screen you need to select this option icon pull down gesture and simply enable this. For those who don't know what icon pull down gesture does is, for people with small hands it is difficult to reach the entire phone. For them you use this icon pull down gesture and operate the apps. For example, here on the home screen I have different apps. To try the icon pull down gesture you can either swipe in from the right like this, select any app of your choice. Here you can see that, let's open Spotify like this. Similarly you can try the icon pull down gesture from the left side also. Swipe up like this from the left and select any app. Here you can see that now you can use the apps like this. So that's it guys, in this way you can use the icon pull down gesture on Realme phones running on Realme UI. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.